That light helped a lot, by the way.
It took me like 2 songs to figure that out.
Yeah, you don't have to dance. You just like sit there and wave the remote.
Okay, wait, I'll just move my hand. What is this?
Moving.
It is if you want to win.
Yeah. See? I have a good technique.
Polly's trying to get a workout too.
I know! She may be winning the game, but I'm winning the workout.
Yeah.
What do you call me, fat?
No!
I'm calling you fat.
I'm losing!
I second that.
My arms hurt so bad! I lost.
She hung up the phone. Yeah! Oh, I almost dropped this thing. Good thing it's on my face.
Ah!
In your face!
In your face!
In my face.
Did you get that on the video?